How to find Instagram friends on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can find your Instagram friends on Facebook. Now, as you know, the Meta connects both the platform Instagram and Facebook. So the first thing you need to do is link your both accounts, your Facebook and your Instagram. Now, to be able to do so, open up the Instagram app and you'll get an interface like this. Head into your profile by tapping on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of your screen, and then tap on the three horizontal line icon that you can see on the top right corner of your screen. Once here, what you want to do is head into settings and privacy, and if you scroll down below, you'll be able to find the accounts option, but in my case, since I've set it to business account, you can head to account center, and then here you can see the Meta option. If you haven't set your account to business account, you'll find it right in the settings below, and then head into connected experience, and here you can see sharing across profiles option, and here you need to add your account. Now you can see the option to add Facebook account or add another Instagram account. Simply tap on add Facebook account, then add in your Facebook account and link your Facebook account with the Instagram account. Once you do this, simply open up the Facebook app here, head into your Facebook app, you can see, and then what you want to do is simply tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen, and then you can see the option friends. And on friends, if you head into suggestions, if you have linked your account with Instagram app, then it will show your Instagram friends that have linked their Facebook account. They'll be suggested here. So this way you can find Instagram friends on Facebook. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.